Hello everyone, today we are here to introduce you our new model of the glass buttons. As you know, in our former design, the glass button, it has only one piece and the connection to the wall by only this part without the possibility of alignment for the glass on a good installation. As you know, this part is installing to the wall by screw as a one part. It's an easy installation, it is simple, and after the installation for lock we're using two Allen keys. As you can see in here, we're using the Allen keys to make it lock the system, and then we're using the other washers to keep the glasses in between. In the Arcos new model, we are using to installation developed model within the two pieces. Here you can see the two parts. The first one for the wall connector and the second one is the closer. For wall connector installation, we're doing the item from the slot house to the formerly installed screw. The screw is same. After that, we are using a simple nut for housing stabilization. After to put inside the nuts, we are making a bit tighten. Of course, the complete tightening, we will use a torque wrench. After the nut tightening, we will use a torque wrench with a socket head to make it assembly. It's quite simple and easy, as you know. In the new model, the second part, the cover, we will make it just a screw on the assembled base. Because of the slot arrangement, you can make a design adjustment, and also after the assembling, you can make alignment of the glasses, what I will show you in the next. After we will make the installation, the second part of cover, we will use to the Allen key to make a tightening and lock. Then the all parts in the system are set. Just we will use firstly to the protector elastomers in here. Then we will cover to the back position for avoid Allen locked screws out. Then we will put the glass easily on the places. The magic trick is starting after this. Basically, if we would like to Allen control, we will use another Allen key just. We will use another Allen key to make the complete set tightening. The parts are coming from the washers and the plastic protectors only. It's so easy to one person can be fit all the goods on it. Just I'm putting the Allen screw here and assemble. That's all fine. When you're assembling, if any fail about the alignment of the glass, you can release the screw or tighten. So the movable glasses you can arrange to alignment. After to make arrangements, just tighten the complete, and that's it. old model, all the parts, the screws, the Allen screws, washer cap, and the protectors are completely same. Besides, item dimensions are same, and that means you don't need to be worried about your former stocks. Thank you very much for listening to me today and join to our Arcos team. More details you can look at www.arcossystem.com. Have a nice day.